But last video we left off somewhere over in here, I guess. We were looking for a low right on this blue line here. All right, just came in and just swiped a little bit lower right there. Okay, we're looking for, if you come in here on a 4 hour, look at this, getting a nice bounce on a 1 hour. There you go. All right, so broke resistance up through here. Take a resistance line, put on here, there, yep, right down through here. We have busted up out of resistance. So I kind of took a beating a little bit there in a couple comments just a few hours ago. 17 cents and lower. Well, we came very, very close here. Ended up coming down 16.86. Now let's get that exact. 16.84. All right, right here is where I had that blue line we were going off of, right through here. All right, we took a measurement off this thing, and we're going to see where this thing's possibly heading next here too, guys, here in just 1 second. Okay, we had a 702 right up here. If we pull that right down on top of that 702, all right, you can see right down through there, right there, just boy oh boy, very, very close. All right, so that should finish up this pattern right here. Should have an A, B, C. Okay, that should be completed, and we should be starting our way up here. All right, we got some other stuff going on there, obviously, in the market here today. If you look at the crypto bubbles here, this is on the daily. Bitcoin having a pretty decent pullback, and you can see Kaspa running against it here. We went over that chart here. Let's show that Kaspa versus Bitcoin chart. We could see the breakout there right here, Kaspa versus Bitcoin. If we go out on a daily, yeah, look at this, beautiful. Let me get this white line off here. There we go. Yeah, look at this breakout of this wedge. You know, so this thing could have a ways to run yet. Okay, the measured move is way up here. All right, right up in this zone up in here. So Bitcoin, I mean, Kaspa could have a really nice run coming up against Bitcoin here. The daily RSI coming down, trying to roll back up here. No bearish divergence there on that daily. The weekly, well, it's the monthly. The weekly. Right at the very top there, right? Probably going to swing back up here. I would imagine. You know, it didn't get real high down here in the bottom, down here. So I'm expecting, obviously, a push quite a bit higher with this thing. So Kaspa versus Bitcoin is looking absolutely phenomenal. If we come over here and take a quick look at Bitcoin itself, let's see Bitcoin dominance first. All right, 54.65. Boy, it's been hanging out in this range up here for quite a while now, huh? What, since April? There's April 8th, you know, right through here. May, June, July, almost 3 months, right up in this range here. Bitcoin down 1767. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. I've been staring and looking at this Bitcoin chart over and over and over again, you know, trying to figure out if we're, you know, if this is a retracement, if it's a bull run. You know, there's so many things that you could debate with this thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're in an upswing right now, right here, okay? The prior retracement back here for Bitcoin, back in 2017, you can see here it came up, hit a 618 and rolled right over. Okay, right here. As soon as we tapped that 618, it just went plummeted right down. All right, now we're up above that 618 here. Okay, obviously we're past retracement levels here. We're up past the 786. Okay, now I see a lot of people you know, debating this, debating that. You can debate all you want. You know, I think these, I don't know, my personal opinion, I think these cycles are getting longer. I think if you take it from, you know, 1,260 days, whatever it is, you know, from top to top, you know, I don't know. I think these cycles are just getting longer. You know, any kind of retracement, even if you take, you know, the top, I see some people doing that, taking the crypto total market cap minus the top 10. All right, if we come down here, you know, take a look at this. That's in the others. You know, and this is all of, sorry about that, guys. I got to flick this off 1 second, turn it back on. There we go. Internet freezing up on me for some reason here. Oops. Let's get that one more time. Sorry about that. I'm on a good roll here. I want to keep it going, so give me 1 second, please, till that reconnects back up. There we go. That should reboot right up here. There we go. Alright, sorry about that. I come out to my garage and I don't know why I don't know, got to boost my system or something here, I guess. You know, you got a retracement coming up here. This is the crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptos. Yeah, you could debate that is in retracement levels here. Came up, hit a 702, got rejected. All right, but every other, and this thing looks like it's actually doing an ABC in here. You know, if you come in on a daily and take a look at this chart, holy cow, tell me I'm gonna have to end up starting this video all over again. That'd be terrible. Come on, stick with me here. All right, now if you come in and look at this, you know, you can see what looks to be going on in here is an ABC. All right, and if this thing is ABCing, pull this down, put a fib on here, go from our swing high. It's on weekly here. Let's click on it. Nope. Okay. All right. Got a 50% retracement in here, but still, that could be an ABC right here. All right, right down on top of the 50-day moving average, right on top of it there. Okay, so we'll see if we get the bounce off of that. You know, but the other total market caps, you know, you got here's the total. This is the crypto total market cap. All right, these are up in areas. You know, if all of this was just a retracement, you know, granted, yeah, it is up around that 618, 702 area. Looking like maybe an ABC pattern on this thing, huh? If we zoom in on this and take a look, which, you know, ABCs aren't devastating. They don't mean necessarily a, you know, tops in here or anything. I think Bitcoin, if anything, has at least one more push up here. Yeah, it looks like an AB. Yeah, could see this thing pull back. You know, right down towards that 50-day moving average, right down there. The total market cap of crypto. You got the weekly RSI, technically still bearish, a 0 and a 4, and you got the monthly. The monthly is 59 and the 66. All right, technically trying to turn back up, but still bearish at the moment. Okay, does it get that ABC here, and then head back to the upside? That would be typical of a wave 4. You got a 1, 2, 3 wave 4 pullback and a 5th wave up. Okay, that'd be your ABC. That would be let's take a measurement on this. You know, I would take it back towards that 50 percentile down here almost. Usually fourth waves are, you know, 0.382 or less, so maybe we don't get that full ABC, or maybe it does fall in there. Let's go back out and that came down here somewhere, right? Yeah, so it fall down through there. But anyway, the point I'm getting at here, all of these, even the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, that is at a retracement level here. And boy, you know, if we get the breakout here, if we go on a monthly chart, you know, put a trend-based fib on this thing. Let's see what kind of, you know, I've been just trying to tear these apart and look at them and look at them. It's giving us a target up through the top of that wedge, all right, into higher, obviously higher areas here right now. As far as the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, we're up into, oh geez, yeah, just above a 382 right now. Made it up to 618. Boom, right there, got rejected. This is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. So this is all your altcoins here. Yeah, definitely hit a retracement level there. It's such a mixed bag out there, of everything. It really makes you wonder. There's excluding Bitcoin. That's the total market cap with Bitcoin. This one is up, let me say this was up through the 786. Right there. Right now it's just down to the 618 right now. And the total 3. This is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Minus both of them. You can see you had 5 waves up right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 right there, and looks like it definitely hit retracement levels, huh? Not quite a 618 there. And of course, if you don't go with that tippy top and you go from that top there, then you're into a 618 and a 702. Right through there. So makes you wonder. We'll see. Excluding Bitcoin and ETH, where's the RSIs at? You got the monthly trying to turn back to the upside here, trying to get back up there. You got an ABC going on in here, down to this blue line. If we get a bounce after that, this could start another 5 waves up. So really makes you wonder. The weekly right on the floor here. All right, so we'll see when I have an alarm set on this thing for when it gets down to that area. Getting very oversold down here on the RSI. ABC, does this start another 5 waves up in here? You can see that 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. Does it start another 5 then towards the upside? It's such a mixed bag out there. Everybody's got their own opinion. All right, we'll just take it a day at a time. That's all we can do really. Just take it a day at a time. That's it. See what happens. Enjoy it while it's here, and we'll see. Whatever happens, it happens, right? The typical of a wave 4 pullback here on Bitcoin. All right, if this is a wave 4 pullback, you would suspect, normally like a 382 retracement for wave 4 or less. 382 is right down here, $55,000, 55,107. It's going on a daily. I didn't really see much as far as an ABC that just stuck out to me there or anything like that. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. Obviously it might have a little bit more down to it here. There we go. On that on the monthly RSI, that's trying to turn back to the upside, and the weekly right on the floor. All right, so let's head over to Kaspa here. I don't know, and happy 4th of July, early 4th of July to everybody. I don't really plan on doing videos tomorrow, so if you're in the US, I hope you have a nice 4th of July, and be safe out there. And let's take a look at this Kaspa chart here. All right, and then want the other one here. If you could hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that so very much, guys. Definitely helps me out. All right, first off, we do got to take a look at the Block Explorer, see what's going on over here. 360 petahash, 4.6 transactions per second, 0.8 blocks per second. Top addresses. Let's see what's going on over there. Boy, is it a scorcher where I'm at today. I'm close to 90. Hot out there for beginning of July here. Alright, the last 24 hours. It's kind of odd, huh? -4 sharks, -1 whale last 24 hours. That That's kind of a shocker there. Plus 29 dolphins. Last 7 days, we're down 12 sharks, down 2 whales, and plus 1 humpback. One humpback, only 14 of them out there. So you can see what's going on there with the upper end of the wallets there. All right, minus 4 sharks, minus 1 whale last 24 hours. Now I do want to show you over here on Twitter also. They have an interview you can go over there and watch on all things Kaspa. Down here, July 2nd, the efficiency and accessibility of the Kaspa network in action. At Liberated Potato accepts a challenge and runs a full node, a TN11, on a mobile device. And he says this is a perfect example why the Kaspa community is the best community. The question was posed about if you could run a node on mobile. Apparently he did. That's how it's looking there. All right, down here, Kaspa tweeted July 2nd. In just 1.5 months from launch, rusty Kaspa nodes are 98.83% of mainnet. Kaspa devs are preparing for 10 blocks per second and working on significant improvements in experience and efficiency. More details to come. All right, so you can see there, rusty node. There is only a small percentage of Go nodes left out there. All right, that was the last 3,600 blocks. Also on July 2nd, thanks at Coin Liquidity. Hashtag Kaspa developers, support ambassadors, and entire community appreciates the nod. Coin of the month on Coin Liquidity. So there you go, Kaspa. As June comes to an end, we're excited to announce our token of the month, Kaspa. June 30th, and there they talked about KRC20 network and wallet challenges. That's when they got congested there, but I haven't heard any other, obviously anything bad here about the KRC20. Everything seems to be running pretty decently, so let's head over this chart. All right, now let's go into that smaller time frame here. Let's head into the 4 hour. I apologize, guys. Should have brought my my extender out, right? The next time I will definitely do that. All right, let's go on to 8 here. Open this chart up. We're getting that bounce now, right, like we were expecting, right off that 50-day here on the 8 hour, and on a daily. What's going on a daily? Yeah, right off the 20 on the daily chart. So nice. We got this bounce here, that ABC. All right, we had the 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking for this 5th wave here to come in. Let's get this stuff off here so you can see what's going on here. That ABC looks to be completed, and it's going on a smaller, that 4 hour. There we go. All right, we're looking for a 5th wave here. We put a trend-based fib on this. Go from our swing low. Looks like we might have had a. All right, there we go. All right, so this one is heading up towards 21.4. A regular. We put a regular fib on top here. It's down to the retracement. Oh, look at that, perfect. 21.6. You know, so that's the target here for this run up here. Up to 21.4 to 21.6 should be our target, and that will give us a 5th wave up here. All right, as far as the RSIs go, we got the 4 hour heading towards the upside. We got the 8 hour right at the very bottom. Beautiful. All right, the 12 hour. Yeah, these things look fantastic. You got all your 4, 8, and 12 at the bottom. You got your daily. That's probably going to swing back to the upside here, I would imagine. Your weekly, right at the very top, 77, 79. Technically bearish. I'm sure it's going to swing back up here, make another high down here for that 5th wave up. So keep your eye on this thing. Looks like we have finally bottomed out there and watch for this fifth wave to come in here. Okay, as long as everything plays out right and Bitcoin doesn't go crashing down or $10,000. Of course, Bitcoin versus Kaspa versus Bitcoin is running, so this should give us the run we're looking for here, up to 21.4 to 21.6. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks to the new members over there, level 3 membership. And also, hey, don't leave yet. I got that new exchange. I will put a link in the description of the video. It's a lot like Mexi. If you're looking for an exchange to trade on, I will put a link in the description of the video. Click on that, please, and go over and check it out. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.